Hi everyone, this is our last hit it with a golf stick. Do you know what I'm doing?
Nope.
What am I doing?
Sledgehammer with 5 matches on the back.
That's right, a sledgehammer head with 5 matches taped to the back edge. Sledgehammer with 5 matches glued to the front edge. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, all of you go inside and look through the window. Here we go. Hang on, I'm going to do it again without the matches. Nothing happened with the matches. I'm going to go again.
I want to see what's inside of it.
All it did was break. And guys, it's got a little tube on the inside. But that's almost like steel wool. It's an old club, a really old one that was no good, so don't worry about it. And it split it open. An immovable object. See you next time. Righto.